Have you ever wanted to own a home with low maintenance? Well, now's your chance. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 fabulous townhome communities in Goose Creek, South Carolina, where you'll spend less time doing maintenance and more time enjoying doing the things you love, such as shopping, going out to eat, going to the movies, or doing whatever it is you love. Hi, my name is Gary Fabian, and I'm with Coldwell Banker Realty in Charleston, South Carolina. But before I tell you all about these 3 beautiful places to live in Goose Creek, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any great real estate news. It would really mean a lot to me. Let's start with the landings at Montague Plantation. The landings at Montague Townhomes sit on the north end of Goose Creek and are the newest of the 3 townhome communities we will be looking at today. There are 135 properties in this area that were built around 2018 to 2019. The average sold price in this community in 2022 was $275,000 with an average square foot of $1,555 for an average of $177 per square foot. The local schools in this community are Boulder Bluff Elementary, Sedgefield Middle School, and Goose Creek High. There is a low HOA fee of about $215 per quarter for a total of $860 per year. There are few amenities for this community, which is probably the reason for the low HOA fees, but they include trash pickup and lawn maintenance. The landings at Montague sit near the Goose Creek Parks and Playground, Central Creek Park, the Goose Creek Community Center, and the Berkeley County Library. Our next stop takes us to Planters Walk Townhomes in the much sought after Crowfield subdivision. Here in this community, you'll find 108 properties, all built between 1983 and 1984, boasting 1 to 2 story townhomes consisting of 2 to 4 bedrooms. The average sales price in Planters Walk in 2022 was $231,667, with an average square foot of $1,316, equaling an average of $176 per square foot. The schools for this area are Westview Primary, Westview Elementary, Westview Middle School, and Stratford High, all of which are neighborhood schools. There are 2 HOA fees in Planters Walk. Crowfield HOA is around $450 to $500 annually, and Planters Walk HOA fee is around $242 per quarter. The amenities are great in this area and consist of 4 swimming pools, tennis courts, miles of walking and biking trails. Lawn maintenance is included, there's an exercise area, and trash removal. Planters Walk is conveniently located near Middleton Park. There's lots of shopping and dining, and it's close to the interstate, and just a short drive to Boeing and the all-new Volvo plant. Our final stop today takes us to Persimmon Hill Townhomes. Here you'll find 393 properties with 1 and 2 stories, with 2 to 4 bedrooms built around 2004. The average price townhome sold in 2022 was $239,033, with an average square foot of $1,639, equaling an average cost of about $146 per square foot. The schools representing this area are Devon Forest Elementary, Westview Middle School, and Stratford High School. The HOA fee is around $285 per month. Amenities include water and sewer, community swimming pool, lawn maintenance, trash pickup. Some even have attached garages, and the exterior is insured and maintained by the HOA. Persimmon Hill is conveniently located near Walmart, shopping and dining, and very close to the Ken Schuler School of Cosmetology. Of course, there are many more townhome communities in Goose Creek to look at. So if you would like to see more, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Or if you have any questions related to real estate, please message me at 843-209-2801 or leave a comment below. If you have found this information helpful, please click like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hey, I look forward to hearing from you. And if I can help in any way, please reach out to me. See you next time.